Imagine you're standing on a sun-drenched piazza, the aroma of freshly brewed espresso wafting through the air. In the distance, church bells chime, echoing off ancient stone walls. You take a deep breath, savoring the moment, and realize you've finally made it to Italy. But this isn't just any trip. This is the adventure you've been dreaming of your whole life. The one where you stand in awe before Michelangelo's David, toss a coin into the Trevi fountain, and sip wine as the sun sets over the Tuscan hills. For centuries, Italy has captivated the hearts of travelers. It's a land where history whispers from every cobblestone, where art isn't just in museums but alive in the very fabric of cities, and where each meal is a celebration of life itself. But with so much to see and do, planning the perfect Italian getaway can feel overwhelming. How do you possibly fit in all those bucket list sites? Which hidden gems should you seek out? And most importantly, how do you avoid spending your entire trip waiting in tourist lines? Well, fellow travelers, that's exactly why we're here. Over the next 10 minutes, we're going to take you on a whirlwind tour of Italy's greatest hits, and a few secret spots the guidebooks don't tell you about. We'll show you how to make the most of 10 days in this beautiful country, from the eternal city of Rome to the canals of Venice, from Renaissance Florence to fashion-forward Milan, with a few surprises along the way. So grab your passport, pack your sense of adventure, and let's embark on the Italian journey of a lifetime. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to book those plane tickets and say, "Ciao, bella Italia." Are you ready? Andiamo. Let's go. Day 1 to 3. Rome, the eternal city. Our journey begins in Rome, the heart of ancient civilization and modern Italian culture. As you step off the plane, you'll feel the energy of this vibrant city coursing through your veins. Start your Roman adventure at the Colosseum. This massive amphitheater has stood for nearly 2,000 years, a testament to the engineering prowess of the ancient Romans. Pro tip: book your tickets online in advance to skip the long queues. Next, make your way to the nearby Roman Forum. As you wander through the ruins, imagine the bustling center of political and social life that once thrived here. Don't miss the Temple of Saturn and the Arch of Titus. No trip to Rome is complete without a visit to the Trevi Fountain. Legend has it that if you throw a coin over your shoulder into the fountain, you're guaranteed to return to Rome. So go ahead, make a wish. For your second day, head to Vatican City, the smallest country in the world. Start early at the Vatican museums to beat the crowds. As you wind your way through the exhibits, prepare to be amazed by the Sistine Chapel. Michelangelo's frescoes are even more impressive in person. End your Vatican visit at St. Peter's Basilica. The sheer scale of this church is awe-inspiring, and the view from the dome is unparalleled. On your final day in Rome, slow down and soak in the atmosphere. Wander through the charming streets of Trastevere, sample gelato at every opportunity, and people watch in Piazza Navona. Remember, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Embrace the laid-back lifestyle, enjoy long lunches, and don't forget to try the pasta alla carbonara. It's a Roman specialty. Day 4 to 5. Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. From Rome, we're hopping on a high-speed train to Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. This compact city is a treasure trove of art and architecture. Your first stop, the Uffizi Gallery, home to masterpieces by Botticelli, Leonardo da Vinci, and Michelangelo. It's a must-visit for art lovers. Book your tickets in advance to avoid disappointment. Next, head to Florence's iconic Duomo. Climb to the top of Brunelleschi's dome for panoramic views of the city. Trust me, it's worth the 463 steps. As the day winds down, cross the Ponte Vecchio, Florence's oldest bridge. The sunset views from here are simply magical. On your second day, start at the Accademia Gallery to see Michelangelo's David in all its glory. Then, lose yourself in the San Lorenzo Market, where you can shop for leather goods and sample Tuscan delicacies. If you have time, consider a half-day trip to the Tuscan countryside. The rolling hills, vineyards, and medieval towns are straight out of a postcard. Day 6 to 7, Venice, the floating city. Our next stop is Venice, a city like no other. Built on a lagoon, Venice's maze of canals and narrow streets will capture your heart. Begin your Venetian adventure in St. Mark's Square. The opulent St. Mark's Basilica and the towering Campanile dominate this grand piazza. For the best views of the square, head up to the Basilica's balcony. No visit to Venice is complete without a gondola ride. Yes, it's touristy, but gliding through the narrow canals is an experience you won't forget. Pro tip: negotiate the price before you hop in. On your second day, explore the less touristy areas of Venice. Get lost in the Jewish ghetto, one of the oldest in the world, and visit the colorful island of Burano, famous for its lace-making and vibrant houses. For foodies, don't miss the Rialto market. Here, you can sample fresh seafood and local specialties like cicchetti, Venetian tapas. Day 8, Cinque Terre, the 5 lands. From Venice, we're heading to the stunning Cinque Terre on Italy's Ligurian coast. This string of 5 picturesque villages will take your breath away. Start in Rio Maggiore and hike the famous Sentiero Azzurro trail that connects all 5 villages. The views of the colorful houses perched on cliffs overlooking the Mediterranean are simply spectacular. If hiking isn't your thing, take the train between villages and spend some time relaxing on the beach in Monte Rosso, the northernmost village. Don't leave without trying the local specialty pesto. The basil grown in this region gives it a unique flavor you won't find anywhere else. Day 9 to 10, Milan, fashion capital, and more. Our final stop is Milan, Italy's fashion and financial hub. But there's more to this city than just shopping and business. Start at the iconic Duomo, Milan's massive Gothic cathedral. The rooftop offers stunning views of the city, and on a clear day, you can even see the Alps. Next, visit Santa Maria delle Grazie to see Leonardo da Vinci's masterpiece, The Last Supper. Remember to book well in advance, tickets sell out quickly. For your final day, indulge in some retail therapy in the Quadrilatero d'Oro, Milan's famous shopping district. Even if you're not buying, window shopping here is an experience in itself. As the sun sets on your Italian adventure, join the locals for aperitivo, Milan's beloved happy hour tradition. It's the perfect way to reflect on your journey and toast to la dolce vita. And there you have it, the best of Italy in 10 unforgettable days. From ancient wonders to Renaissance masterpieces, from coastal villages to fashionable cities, Italy truly has it all. Remember, this itinerary is just a starting point. Italy is a country that rewards slow travel, so don't be afraid to linger in places that capture your heart. Before we go, here are some quick travel tips for Italy. 1. Learn a few basic Italian phrases. The locals will appreciate the effort. 2. Always validate your train tickets before boarding. 3. Carry cash. Many small shops and restaurants don't accept cards. 4. Dress modestly when visiting churches. 5. Embrace the siesta. Many shops close in the afternoon, especially in smaller towns. We hope this guide has inspired you to plan your own Italian adventure. Have you been to Italy before? What was your favorite place? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest travel guides. And remember, the world is waiting to be explored, so what are you waiting for? Arrivederci and happy travels!